Hello everyone, it's time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to be focused in on software company Autodesk, which reported earnings last week, which had a really nice earnings report and has blasted higher on some good volume. So let's go ahead and talk about this one and mark this chart up as we go along here. So as we can see here, the stock came in and basically hit a double bottom here and is creating what we like to see in a bullish pattern called a W pattern. So we get the first leg down here, we rally up and then fail, come down and retest that low and then carve out the right side of the base, and it appears to be a little W-shaped pattern. So W is generally bullish. Flip it around and M would be bearish because that would show a double top, which we have. Actually, we see that forming. I'll put that in a different color over here, somewhat right here. So we see a top, a pullback, and then a test back of that top, and then right back down again. That is quite bearish. So, and we can see the stock just took off to the downside right after that move happened. And then, we've been bouncing around this 200-day moving average for a little while. We could go either way here. We're right smack in between the 50 and the 200-day moving average. If the stock gets some momentum and the stock market actually starts getting some push to the upside, people are going to see this stock as one to play with because it has already tested the bottoms, tested the lows here. We do see a positive development in the MACD, also the relative strength up here on the top, making a series of higher lows, stalling out up here again right at the 50-day moving average. So this is where the heavy resistance comes in, and we can see way back in the summertime. Let's take a look at this here. The stock struggled around that 50-day moving average until it gapped up in earnings back in August. So we can see this stock battling around that 50-day moving average for a little while. We do have a buy signal on the MACD crossover here. Black line crossed over the red line, and we are modestly overbought, but that's not a reason to sell. We do have some good volume from last week. The earnings day was a doji. We came up on that was Wednesday, and then on Thursday we had a really pullback day, and then Monday right back up near the highs from the gap open from earnings. So this one it's not quite in the clear yet for an upside, but certainly one of the best software names that we've seen in the space as of late. The chart looks pretty decent, and again, if the market comes through and does well, we should see more people piling into Autodesk, possibly maybe returning back up to those old highs around the high 150 level. So that's Autodesk. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.